You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce correctly this name. This is a brand name. This is a German surname, or at least a surname of German origin, let's call it. So we need to look at the German pronunciation and how it's usually pronounced in English. Kocher is generally how it's pronounced in German, and I believe it means cooker, Kocher. Kocher. Now, in English, this is, as a surname, it's often pronounced as Kocher, Kocher, or Kocher. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.